Hello guys, good day and welcome to my channel once again. I want to use this medium to congratulate those who participated in Pep quiz last time, as Pep have started distributing. As you can see on my Binance right now, I have $5.73 worth of Pep, and that is not all. For you to check whether you got it or not, all you need to do is to enter your Binance. Immediately you enter your Binance right now, or any of the crypto wallet you use to register for it, you'll see your balance here. You understand? For instance, if you use Binance, you come to Binance in place of balance, you check your balance, and for you to confirm it, at the bottom of the screen here, you'll see wallet. Click on wallet, then you will see N. If you click on N, you see N right here. You see N, and under N, you'll see PEP, which is PEPE. I'm talking about this place. You'll see PEP. So you click on it and you'll see that you have been distributed 700,000 worth of PEP, but it's still holding. That is, it's locked for 150 days. For you to know what to do next, all you need to do is to click on PEP down there. Then you have to know this. For the first one, estimated annual yield is 10%. Subscription date is 21st of 3rd, which is this month, 2024. Lock period is 150 days, okay? And the interest ending is on 1808. That is 18 August 2024. And the cumulative interest is 0.00. However, the estimated next distribution amount is 191.7000 worth of it, and the interest date is 22. That is on 22 of this month. You understand? So if you have not gotten it, all you need to do is to be patient, provided you enter your answers correctly. That is, in the quiz you have done so far, provided you enter the answer correctly. So you have to be patient and wait till the next distribution. After the next distribution, you will know whether you are eligible or not. What are the next things to do? The next thing, how to withdraw, right? How to withdraw is very simple. If you look at the feature up there, you see spot. You click on spot, then it will take you to this place. The next thing to do is to click on withdraw. After clicking on withdraw, it takes you to withdrawal portal. Then you are going to search for PEP, which is PEPE. You search for PEP, it will come. This is the coin. Then you click on it and enter your wallet address. You understand? Depending on where you want to withdraw to for exchange. But at the moment, PEP is not distributed at the moment. That is, it will take a maximum of 150 days for you to be able to see it under your balance. And after it appears under your balance, you're now able to withdraw it or convert it to your preferred currency and start using it. So I want to congratulate you guys once more time, and I want you to keep on checking your Binance on daily basis for any latest update. And if there's any update at all, I will drop it in my next video. And if you find this video interesting, consider subscribing for more videos. Also, if you are finding any challenges in your Pepe Coin, you have to drop it in the comment section so that we can find solution to your problem. Thanks for watching.